Types in Tally Introduction. A voucher is a document that contains details of a financial transaction and is required for recording the same into the books of accounts. For every transaction, you can use the appropriate Tally voucher to enter the details into the ledgers and update the financial position of the company. In Tally Prime, vouchers are classified as accounting vouchers, inventory vouchers, optional non-accounting vouchers. Let's see predefined voucher types in Tally Prime. To view predefined Tally vouchers in Tally Prime, we can navigate from Gateway of Tally, Chart of Accounts, Voucher Types. Total 24 voucher types are predefined in Tally Prime. Some of them are accounting vouchers, some of them are inventory vouchers, and some of them are non-accounting optional vouchers. Let us understand each and every voucher in details. Attendance voucher. Attendance voucher is a payroll voucher to mark attendance of employees. This voucher is generally used for payroll processing. Contra voucher. Contra voucher is an accounting voucher used for intercompany fund transfer. For example, cash to cash, bank to bank, cash to bank, and bank to cash. Credit note voucher is an accounting voucher generally used for sales return transactions. Debit note voucher is an accounting voucher generally used for purchase return transactions. Delivery note is an inventory voucher to record delivery of material against sales order. Job work in order is an order voucher to record job work in order voucher in Tally Prime. Job workout order voucher. Job workout order is an order voucher to record job workout order voucher in Tally Prime. Journal. Journal is an accounting voucher generally used for any kind of accounting adjustment. For example, to record bad debts, depreciation, value to return of, etc. Material in is an inventory order related voucher generally used to record material movement against job work order. Material out is an inventory order related voucher generally used to record movement of inventory against job work order. Memorandum voucher is a non-accounting voucher generally used for unapproved transactions. Payment voucher is an accounting voucher. It is used to record payment transactions in business. Payment either in cash or from bank account. Payroll. Payroll voucher is used to record salary processing of employees in the books of accounts. Physical stock is an inventory voucher. It is used to reconcile physical stock with books of accounts. Purchase is an accounting voucher to record purchase of material or services in books of accounts. Purchase order is an order voucher to record a purchase order placed in books of accounts. Receipt is an accounting voucher to record receipt related transactions in books of accounts. Receipt either in cash or in bank. Receipt note is an inventory voucher. It is generally used to record receipt of materials against purchase order. Rejections in is an inventory voucher. It is used to record rejection of material against sales order. Rejections out is an inventory voucher. It is used to record rejections out of material against purchase order. Reversing journal is a non-accounting voucher generally used to create a scenario report in TallyPrime. Sales is an accounting voucher to record sales of material and services in books of accounts. Sales order is an order voucher to record sales order receipt from customer in books of accounts. Stock journal is an inventory voucher. It is generally used for stock adjustments in books of accounts. Stock adjustments like stock consumption, stock production, stock transfer, inter-godown transfer, etc. These are 24 predefined voucher types which are available in TallyPrime. They are used to record multiple business transactions in books of accounts. Voucher types creation, alteration in TallyPrime. Create new voucher in TallyPrime as per given instruction. Voucher name, local sales. Voucher type, sales. Method of numbering, automatic with manual override. Prevent duplicate number, yes. Voucher number format, LS 001 202324. Effective date, yes. Allow zero value entry, yes. Other information as default. In default Tally, there are 24 predefined voucher types. Apart from those predefined voucher types, we can create multiple voucher types as well. To create a new voucher in TallyPrime, we need to navigate from Gateway of Tally, Create option under Masters menu. Select option Voucher type under Accounting Masters. Enter voucher name, local sales. Voucher type as sales. Abbreviation sale. Activate this voucher type, yes. Method of voucher numbering. In TallyPrime, there are several methods of numbering are available as automatic, manual override, manual, multi-user auto, none. As per information, we need to select automatic manual override. Enter. Prevent creating duplicate voucher number, yes. Set alter additional numbering details to enter suffix or prefix details of voucher number. Enter. As per voucher number format, we need to start voucher number from 1, width of numerical part 3, prefill with 0, yes. Applicable from April 2023, starting number 1, periodicity yearly, prefix details as from 1st of April 2023, LS, suffix details from April 2023 2023 and 24. Enter to accept. Use effective dates for vouchers. Yes. Allow zero valued transactions. Yes. Other information as default. Other information such as make this voucher type as optional by default. No. Allow narration in voucher. Yes. Provide narrations for each ledger in voucher. No. Enable default accounting allocations. No. Print voucher after saving. No. Use for point of sales invoicing. No. Default title to print. Not available. Default bank details. Not applicable. Default jurisdiction. Information not available. Set alter declaration. No. Enter to accept. Now we can access chart of accounts to see updated list of voucher types in Tally Prime. Select voucher types. Here we can see total number of vouchers are 25 vouchers. We can see a new voucher has been created as local sales. Alter sales voucher in Tally Prime as per given instruction. Voucher name sales. Method of numbering we need to configure as automatic manual override. Number format as sales 001 202324. Default title to print sales invoice. Default jurisdiction Mumbai. Other information as default. To alter default voucher type in Tally Prime, we need to navigate Alter menu option from Gateway of Tally under Masters menu. Select voucher type. Select voucher to alter sales. We need to change method of voucher numbering, automatic, manual override. Prevent creating duplicate voucher number, yes. Voucher number format, yes. Starting number 1. Width of numeric part as 3. Prefill with 0, yes. Restart numbering, April 2023, 1. Periodicity, yearly. Prefix details, April 2023. Sales. Suffix details from April 2023, 2023 and 24. Other options as default. Default title to print sales invoice. Default bank, we can select any bank. Default jurisdiction as Mumbai. Enter and accept. This way, we can create a new voucher in Tally Prime, as well as we can alter any existing voucher in Tally Prime as per requirements.